Hi everyone, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Andrea and today I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys. I know it's been a while since I've done my last unboxing. I've just been really busy doing my Zumba because I want to lose weight. So anyway, let's start. Are you ready? So I've got this one right here for you. This is a 𝓓𝓚𝓏𝓏 micro bag that I got from 2 months ago. So I actually got this one from 𝓓𝓚𝓫𝓸𝓁 with my friend, but I just didn't have a chance to do an unboxing video. So let's just crack on and open this little beauty for you guys. Are you ready? So in 3, 2, 1, ta-da! This is what I've got. And this is the mini Jenny bag from 𝓓𝓚𝓏𝓏. I've been actually eyeing this one from John Lewis, but it wasn't on sale. So I really got this for a really good deal. And it's originally retails for £180, as you can see. And I got this one on sale. You wouldn't believe how much I got this one. So this is how it looks like. That's the back, the front, that's the back. It's got a back pocket that's very accessible for your cards or for your Oyster cards, things like that, receipt. And it's actually called Jenny. It's got this adjustable gold chain hardware. Unfortunately, it's not removable. Got a twist lock, as you could see, and it's got 2 compartments with 1 slip pocket inside. I really like this one because it's so, multifunctional. Can use this one for a night out or for a casual look. So I'm not sure how the measurement about this bag, but I'm using this iPhone 12 Pro. This is just a case, and I think it will fit. Let's just try if my iPhone 12 Pro Max will fit. A little bit tight, but yeah, it fits inside. I really love it. It's in a cowhide leather. Yeah, so let me show you guys how it looks like. There you are. So pretty. I love it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See, so pretty. Love it. Bye.